How we get to this? Um, it's still working on. Ever since I built this, like I think 2021, it still looks different, but still improving. It's still perfect in better condition. And it works very perfectly. And I have photos of before and after shots. So yeah, there's so many things at the World Trade Center complex. And the best part, I did recreate these moments. Still ongoing. So there. Okay, it's working. And we had, well, I had made this. This is from the North Tower, the first hit, and the South Tower. I was able to maybe make a video about it, so it's not really that in progress. So I'll try. And for the smoke for the North Tower, it's right here. And for the South Tower, it's this part. Now, if you really wanted to put it in the Lego set, you gotta use a Lego separator for this because usually it gets stuck on it. And I also have pieces so I can create ground zero. And also made sure for the hotel lobby damaged parts right here. You see the white pieces right there? That's for the hotel lobby, World Trade Center 3. So yeah, put an angle. For some reason, I decided to build a helicopter, which I find it useless. I have no idea, but whatever. Okay, to recreate the blast, we're gonna do what it takes. For the North Tower, grab this part. Great, that's why I use Lego separator for this. Lego separator for this. And place it right there, so no shoot. And then you put the blast. You gotta check the side of it. Just come from this. You put it like this right here for the blast. South Tower is pretty wonky. Then you put this guy right. You put it right here in the North Tower's head, and there it is. It's kind of looks aggravated. For the South Tower, you remove this part of the piece right here. And of course, that's why you use a Lego separator for this. Spray. Yeah. Alright. Once you remove that, you place it beneath right here. The blast for the South tower and you put it right here. Then you place the south tower right here, that's head top. And there it is. And there's a blast still right there. For both towers. And for the smoke, I'll show you that too. Alright, for the smoke, North Tower, put it face like this way. So we could do it like that. Yeah, it's right. Put face this way. And you put the North Tower afterwards. Oh, and also make sure that there's no... that it doesn't get stuck on the fake cloud smoke. Alright. So yeah, it's like that. It's pretty damaged, I'm not gonna lie. And South Tower is next too. Put it like this. Afterwards, you put it right there up here. Hang it on like this. There it is. Okay, there it is. That's the World Trade Center complex in Lego. I have to show the behind the scenes.